All right, so you know how we talk about whose car is better like all day and all night long?
Yeah.
This spot would be awesome to set up a little like really short course, and then we can just time it. We can see out of our 3 cars who can do a really short, low mile per hour course. Do you want to go walk it and try to figure out where to put some rocks? And Matt, let's go. Okay. Maybe around that sign. So it's like, perfect. So come around this turn, don't hit this rock, and then finish line. Finish line.
Seconds.
All right, 40.2 seconds. I don't know if that's good or not. We'll see. So far I'm leading. All right, who's going next?
3, 2, 1,
Good, 2 things. 1, you got a better time than me. 2, you missed the first turn.
3, 2, 1, go. Miss shift, damn it!
Oh. It looks pretty good out there. That truck's rolling away. Taylor's missing a gear. He's coming in hot. He's got a first time.
That was terrible. Can I do that again? I totally misshifted. It was terrible.
Good. You got 39.3.
Oh, I could do better than that. Well, clearly the driver's skill isn't there, so that extra liter doesn't make up for anything.
Okay, I need to make up 2 seconds. I'm in an e30. I'm in a BMW. I can't lose to these Jeeps and Fords. I gotta prove that 2.5 liters is better than however many they have.
3 and 4. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
All right, here we go.
2, 1, go.
Tight, tight, tight. All right, I'm gonna go wider here, cut it in. Oh, I'm bugging. Oh, I'm bugging. I'm going wide. Oh, here we go. Oh! Ah, third gear. Coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in. 1 second. Oh, I'm in a tree! Ah, I'm in a tree!
38.8.
What did you get? You got 37 point.
You got 37 something, and I think I got 38, like 2 or 3.
Nice.
You're real close. You definitely.
I wish that second one I had gotten through that last turn. Okay, let's pack up and get the hell out of here. We have about 40 miles to cover today. The fuel tank seems to be holding up good. I feel pretty good about today. We're in the whoops section. I can go barely 10 miles an hour or my skid plate hits. So we're just whooping for the next mile or two. It is literally on maps called the whoop section. And it's kind of fun. I'm widening the Mojave Road right now because I'm really hugging the left side so my skid plate doesn't dip in every time. But we're having fun. I'm really excited about today. It's a little cooler, a little breezier. It's pretty comfortable out there, so we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Hopefully no trail fixes. I'm so done with fuel issues and trail fixes. I just want to wheel today. Of road here. It's so sandy and bermy, so all these turns you can just load up and hit the berms. This is why you have a car like this. Although Taylor's having a lot of fun in his Jeep, we're having a lot of fun in this thing. You don't need much car to do a lot of fun in the dirt. Although this is a lot of car, don't get me wrong.
Okay, got it.
What if we pull it out?
Because what you don't want to do is have fluid pressure on the crown.
No, I think Dusky's right. I think we plug that like we did last time with our thing. We go get 4 rocks, put them at all 4 corners. We set the thing out here. JB weld it, let it sit for an hour in the sun.
Okay, let's pull it out.
Cool.
Out. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay. So let's put it on its.
I don't like it.
As long as it's less than half the tank, it's not going to come out the lid.
Okay, it's not gonna come out this. Sure.
Let's find the JB weld, and if we don't have it, we're kind of screwed. But I think I put it in. So mount the tank first. Okay, so right now, in a couple hours, we're gonna test the fuel tank. We're right by a paved road, which is an out. We're 36 miles to the end of the trail, and there's a couple cheater outs. So once the tank is set, is it stupid to keep going into the desert?
No, I don't think it's stupid.
Well,
I think
it
the
is.
cheater outs.
We know this whole thing is stupid. We know that going into it.
Cheater
How
out only
stupid.
means pavement versus dirt. So it's not going to shorten the distance that we need to go because whether we're
Right.
on the trail or the pavement, we're still headed in the same direction.
So we're wondering if the bottom of this tank has lots of flex after it holds 20 gallons or lots of gasoline. It seems like it's such thin metal that the bottom flexes, which fatigues these welds. So we're gonna only run it with, I don't know, less than 5 gallons of gas at a time. And maybe that'll put less fatigue on this tank.
If you knew all of this stuff was going to go wrong and happen,
Okay.
but there was nothing you could do about it,
Right?
would you still go?
Yeah, I think so. It's been a real pain, but nothing's been super hard. I haven't been under the car getting greasy. It's just kind of stinking, kind of annoying. We would have been stopped here for lunch anyway. We've basically prolonged what we would do anyway. There's a weight over my head with whether this will work or not. So my leisurely stops haven't been leisurely, even though they kind of resemble that.
They resemble leisure.
They resemble leisure, but I haven't been relaxed. Until we get to the campsite, every night the car is good. So I have a great night every time. Driving this thing when it's running great is so much fun.
Okay.
It's
Well,
worth
it's
it.
worth it.
It's worth it. Okay, so that was the last time fixing the tank. Not because I feel like we nailed the fix, but because we have no more JB Weld. So if it fails at this point, we're kind of screwed. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm hot, I'm tired, I need a shower.
Copy, copy.
All right, so it's the end of the third day. I'm exhausted. We spent probably 5 hours on the side of the road waiting for JB Weld to dry on my fuel tank. But we're here now. I never used this, but we had so much stuff go wrong that I'm kind of okay with not using this. And we're gonna duck out a couple miles early on the Mojave Road. We're not doing the water crossing. My car is held together with ratchet straps, zip ties, hose clamps. There's a socket in my fuel system. Somewhere in between the tank and the motor, there's a socket and fuel is passing through it. So we're at that point with this car and we're on a road now that takes us back to the freeway. So we might just duck out early in the morning and miss a couple miles of the Mojave Road, but I'm okay with that. I'm tired. My car is very tired. I never jumped it. I owe you guys a jump and I owe you guys a trail when I actually use this. I'm gonna get some sleep and finish up tomorrow. So I like E30s, I like driving fast in the desert, so I don't think it's that far-fetched to build an E30 to go fast in the desert. I think you can build anything to do anything you want. A truck would make more sense. Anything would make more sense than that, but who cares? I know how to work on an E30. It's not that hard to put big tires on it, and I'll drive fast in the desert. I see nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna keep climbing this boulder.